Welcome back to Believe in Yourself. This morning, we are gently resetting your money identity, your self worth, and your right to receive. Before we begin, close your eyes, place your right hand over your heart, inhale deeper, exhale, and drop into the body. You are safe to receive. Today, we heal a part of you that still doubts your worthiness. Today, we speak directly to your subconscious and we remove the guilt and fear around money. Let's begin. I'm sorry for thinking wealth was for others, not me. Please forgive the version of me that accepted less than what I deserved. Thank you for dissolving the old story of scarcity. I love the identity of a confident, wealthy woman. I'm sorry for shrinking my goals to make others comfortable. Please forgive the guilt that rises when I imagine being rich. Thank you for giving me permission to desire more. I love the way my self worth upgrades my income. I am sorry for tolerating lack as normal. Please forgive the emotional blocks I inherited from my family. Thank you for rewriting my subconscious with abundance. I love becoming the woman who receives with ease. I'm sorry for believing money would reject me. Please forgive the fear of being judged for being wealthy. Thank you for showing me wealth aligns with my soul. I love the new version of me who feels worthy of luxury. I am sorry for equating success with danger. Please forgive the trauma connected to having more. Thank you for aligning my identity with prosperity. I love living in a frequency where wealth feels safe. I am sorry for choosing loyalty to limitation. Please forgive the fear of surpassing others. Thank you for elevating my standard of self love. I love being a magnet for divine financial flow. I'm sorry for calling myself too much. Please forgive the shame around wanting wealth. Thank you for turning my desires into normal. I love receiving money in elegant, effortless ways. I'm sorry for internalizing rejection around money. Please forgive the fear of being left out if I succeed. Thank you for showing me wealth is emotional safety. I love the new belief that abundance is my birthright. I am sorry for thinking I needed to earn love through struggle. Please forgive the pattern of self sabotage. Thank you for healing the unconscious money wounds. I love my identity as a wealthy, self honoring woman. I'm sorry for all the times I dimmed my financial power. Please forgive the fear of being too visible. Thank you for blessing my voice with influence. I love being compensated at the level of my genius. I'm sorry for undervaluing my gifts. Please forgive the habit of settling for crumbs. Thank you for expanding my capacity to receive. I love that money loves showing up for me. I'm sorry for rejecting money before it arrived. Please forgive the beliefs of not enough. Thank you for teaching me self worth through abundance. I love the ease of wealth entering my reality. I am sorry for blocking blessings out of fear. Please forgive the programming of scarcity. Thank you for opening doors I couldn't see before. I love knowing wealth is already coded in me. I am sorry for thinking wealth was too late. Please forgive the regret and lost time stories. Thank you for letting me rise now. I love that money responds to my identity. I am sorry for measuring my worth by pain. Please forgive the survival conditioning. Thank you for upgrading my nervous system to abundance. I love feeling financially safe inside my body. I am sorry for comparing my journey to others. Please forgive the fear of being seen winning. Thank you for making wealth feel normal. I love the woman I am becoming because of abundance. I am sorry for believing wealth will be taken away. Please forgive the abandonment wound around success. Thank you for supporting my wealth with stability. I love being emotionally available for money. I am sorry for thinking I must overwork to deserve money. Please forgive the struggle identity. Thank you for blessing me with ease. I love receiving without hustling. I am sorry for thinking luxury was too much for me. Please forgive the belief that comfort is unsafe. Thank you for allowing me to exist in overflow. I love being treated like a wealthy woman. I'm sorry for rejecting compliments and blessings. Please forgive the impulse to deflect receiving. Thank you for teaching me how to hold abundance. I love that money stays with me now. I am sorry for unconsciously pushing money away. Please forgive the fear of success expanding too fast. Thank you for timing everything perfectly. I love being aligned with divine financial flow. I am sorry for thinking money will change who I am. Please forgive the fear of becoming different. Thank you for letting wealth reveal my highest self. I love being expanded by prosperity. I am sorry for believing wealth demands sacrifice. Please forgive the belief that comfort is suspicious. Thank you for letting money feel gentle. I love receiving in grace, not force. I am sorry for thinking wealth is unpredictable. Please forgive the anxiety around income. Thank you for stabilizing my financial identity. I love the calmness wealth brings into my life. I am sorry for confusing chaos with power. Please forgive the addiction to survival mode. Thank you for making abundance peaceful. I love living in my overflow emotionally and financially. I'm sorry for shrinking my voice before asking. Please forgive the fear of charging high. Thank you for strengthening my value. I love knowing my work deserves premium energy. I'm sorry for treating wealth like a miracle instead of normal. Please forgive the disbelief in consistent money. Thank you for making abundance my identity. I love the woman I am. Wealthy, worthy, and open. Thank you for being here this morning. Your subconscious received every line. Your identity has shifted even if you can't see it yet. Come back tomorrow and we continue to build the woman who money recognizes instantly. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for being here.